What's up guys, and welcome again to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make money just typing. How to make money by just typing. So I'm going to show you how to make from $200 to $800 in just a single day. So you can make from $200 to $300 by just typing. But at the end of this video, I will show you some simple hack that you can use to make this money from $500 to $800 in just a day. So stay with me from now to the end. Don't skip the video, and at the end I will give you a bonus that you can use to make this money with some simple steps by using this simple hack. So you can make from $200 to $300 in a day, but I will show you some simple hack that you can make from $500 to $800 by just typing. So please follow me to my computer and let me show you how you can make this money with this website today. So here we are on our browser. So we search text broker. Text broker. And it comes like this. So over here, this website or this company is there for over years, and it works with other companies. It works with big companies and it works with smaller companies. So you can take action in this website. It works with some of the companies over here, Yoast, Staples, eBay, and other companies as well. So Yoast is they create software for WordPress, and then we have this one. We have eBay also over here. They work for these companies over here, and it's 100% legitimately true. It is not a lie. There is no scam. You are going to make your money with this. So let's go to I write content, and let's go to why write for text broker. So over here, registration, free registration. There is no charges. It is free. It is 100% free. So there is no charge for your registration. So you are not going to pay any money for your registration over here. And then also there is a direct access to project. So text broker, the client can send you an information directly to your inbox, and then you are going to respond to them. You are going to start writing for your money. And then over here also a flexible management. So when write on your own time as often as you like. So you can say, maybe I have a lot of work doing, or I have something doing, I cannot do this thing. You can write at the comfort of your time, anytime that you need, or you can choose your leisure time and use for this and start making this money for yourself with text broker. And then also weekly pay off. So text broker always pays at the end of the week. So you can redeem your money when it is $10 or more. When it is $10 or more, you can withdraw your money. And then also here also helpful feedback. You can give them if you don't understand anything over here. There are people over there that you can give them feedback, and then they are going to respond to you. And then free writing resources. So if you don't have skills to write, or you don't have the knowledge for writing, you are going to get free resources over here, which is trained with a blog tutorial or videos over here that you can use to learn, or you can use to increase your improvement of writing. So here's how text broker works and then you are going to make some money with this website as well. You are going to make some money with this website as well. So let's go to the payment and let me show you how that one too is being made. Let's go to the payment. Let me show you. So over here with the payment, Tezbroker is going to categorize you in a star rating. So as you have sign up your account with Tezbroker, they are going to rate you in a star. So if you are a star 2 writer, they are going to rate you in 7 cents per word. And then if you are a star 3 writer, 1 cent per word. If you are a star 4 writer, 1.4 cents per word. And then if you are a 5-star writer, you earn 5 cents per word. So this is how it works. So immediately you finish signing up your account, they are going to rate you, and then that's how you are going to make your money. So let's go to how it works, how Tezbroker works. Let me show you some things over there. So become a Tezbroker author today. So over here, when for the registration, they are going to, registration is free, and after that you are going to verify your account, and then 2, you are going to submit a writing sample to show that whether you can write or you have the ability to write. And then number 3, they are going to rate you. I already showed you the rating, star 2, star 3, star 4, and then star 5. They are going to rate you for that, how you are going to earn your money per word. So you are going to earn, if you are star 2, you are going to earn 0.7 cents per word, and then as it continues like that. And then on number 4, you have to complete your author profile. So any information you give to them about you, you are going to complete it for that, and then you are going to start writing. Number 5, you are going to start writing for cash. So as you pass through 1, 2, 3, and then 4, they are going to pass you on number 5. You are going to start writing for cash. So you can take action on the payment here. Let me show you if you become. So over here like this, if you are a star 2 writer and you write a words like 100,000 words, you are going to earn $7 for that. So if you are a star 3 writer and you write 1,000 words, you are going to earn $10 for that. And then if you are a star 4 writer, you are going, and you write 1,000 words, you are going to earn $14 for that. So let me see, if you are a star 4 writer and you write 4,000 words, how much will you earn? How much are you going to earn? So if you are a star 4 writer and you write 4,000 words, you are going to earn $56 for that. So let's say if you are a 5-star writer, then you are going to, and you write 4,000 words, you are going to earn $200 for that. If you are a star 2 writer, you are going to earn $200 for that. If you are a star 5 writer, so if you can write more words like 5,000 words and you are a star 5 writer, you are going to earn 250 words for that. If 6,000 words, 7,000 words, you are going to make $350 for that. So depend on your star or your rating and how you are going to make per your writing. So let me show you how it is being categorized also over here. So let's go to how it works again. How it works. So we have choose from thousands of projects. That is the open order, and you are going to choose from many projects over there that you want to do. And then also Textbroker pays by word depending on your quality rating. So depending on your rate, if you are star 2, star 3, star 4, that is how they are going to pay you, depend per word. And then also direct order. Clients send you a project directly to your inbox, so you can get an inbox alert directly from clients, depend on your rating or your profile, and they are going to send you this to your inbox, and you are going to respond to them by writing for them. And then you set, by this one, you set your own price per word regardless of your quality of your rating. And then also we have the team order, so you can join as many teams as you want. Is that, let's go to where I will show you the hack, and then you are going to make money. You can make from $200 to $800 per day by just typing with Textbroker. So I copied some words from my website. Let me show you, and then let me show you how 4,000 words looks like. So let's go to the word counter. Let me paste it over here. So let me show you how 4,000 words looks like. So over here, these are the words. So this is 4,403 words. This is 4,403 words. It's more than 4,000, so you can take it like that. So let me show you how you can do this hack, and you can write more than this 4,000 words in just. So we open our browser again and search Google Docs. And then it comes like this. So on the Google Docs, you have to choose the blank space over here. So over here on Google Docs, we go to tools, then we click on voice typing. So over here you can write about 4,000 words in just a day, or you can write from 4,000 to 10,000 words in just a day. So if you are not good in typing, or you are not good in writing, you can use this place to write your words, and you are going to make your money for text with Textbroker today. So you can make more than $200 to $800 in just a day with Textbroker. So let's click on the voice typing. So I'm going to say something over here. I need to write. So what I've said, it has written it. So let me say another thing over here. Hi, and how are you doing? Today I'm going to the market. Would you please go with me? Oh no. Today I'm not feeling well, so I can't go with you. Okay, so let me go and come. I will be right back in some few minutes. So this is how it works. You can use your voice to type, and it is going to type so as many as words as you can. You are not going to hold any key, you are not going to hold anything. You are going to use your voice, and it is going to type for you. So in a day you can make $200 up to $800 in just a day by just typing with Textbroker. So you can use Google Docs to type about 4,000 to 10,000 words in just a day. So you can take action in this website. Please, but please, what I need you to do is please just get started today and start making money for yourself today. So please, if you really enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give on the notification bell and give me a like, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you for watching. We will meet next time.